In Chinese medicine, a lot of time that when we treat autoimmune, it's not just to help the body to detox, but also helping the qi to rectify and tonify. Because with strong qi, then our body can do the job that it's supposed to, as to detox and restore the function of itself. Autoimmune disease, of course, just like the word implies, the immune system attack our own body, our own cell and tissue and organ as well. And what caused that? It could be a lot of things that cause that, but the essence of it is chronic inflammation. And why do we have inflammation? Inflammation is actually a very important mechanism of our body. When we have a cut, when we are infected by bacteria, because basically the inflammation is a signal that's sent to our brain and immune system saying that, hey, I'm being attacked, so come and help me and repair. Without that, then our body cannot repair, and then will be taken over by the illness, by the trauma. Having inflammation under control is very important because we do need it, but we don't want it to be out of control. And then you might ask, what causes the inflammation? The inflammation, or what we should say is chronic uncontrolled inflammation. It's caused by, it could be from unresolved infection, overuse of certain medication, or toxin exposure, stress, or sometimes, unfortunately, genetics as well. If we want to look at autoimmune from a TCM perspective, we cannot overlook the flow of qi and the function of qi, as the essence of it is the autoimmune system attacking our own body. In Chinese medicine, it's called heat toxin. But with the heat toxin, there's always a qi deficiency that cannot control or detox the toxin that we produce or being exposed to. So in Chinese medicine, a lot of time that when we treat autoimmune, it's not just to help the body to detox, but also helping the qi to rectify and tonify. Because with strong qi, then our body can do the job that it's supposed to, as to detox and restore the function of itself. I don't think there's a cure for autoimmune even from the conventional medicine. However, because TCM focus on the function of the body, so by restoring the function to the normal state, then it's considered a cure. Because basically you can live with the autoimmune but without the symptom, and you also can function optimally to reach the optimal wellness and health as well. Yes and no. They're all the same is because that the underlying cause of it, or the underlying factor, is that there's a qi deficiency. And on the surface, because of the qi deficiency, fail to detox and restore the body function, is starting to be run off as a heat toxin. So yes and no. However, when different type of autoimmune disease, let's say Hashimoto, for example, it's kidney qi deficiency with spleen qi deficiency and heat toxin with phlegm. If it's ankylosing spondylosis, a lot of time is the heat toxin in the urinary bladder channel with kidney qi deficiency. What we do in Chinese medicine is that we differentiate different type of different syndrome into different pattern and treat accordingly. But just like conventional medicine, yes, we do differentiate it in the TCM way. If you like this video, please subscribe and follow me, and I'll see you soon.